Welcome! It is great to see you! Nadia is here with another simple but very practical and fun to do project. Today we are going to solve this pillow here. This beautiful pillow with a geometric symmetrical pattern. This is how it looks from above. Here is a seam, but when we look here, the seam is not visible because the drawing continues. He walks like a whole beautiful drawing. It also looks bottom and side. Here you also get a beautiful symmetrical pattern. And in this video, I will show you how to sew such a wonderful pillow. For the center of the pillow, I'm choosing this picture. Now, in order to properly cut the material, I will find the center of this picture along the axis and put in both directions the size I need. My pillow will be 16 by 16 inches and I need 1 inch for seams. I will measure 17 inches. Now, I need to define the drawing vertically. This is my 17 inches. I just look and choose a good drawing. Are my these places with the pins. To see what kind of picture we have, I use 4 rulers to frame my picture, and it helps me to visualize how my pillow will look. I think this is good picture. Everything is in balance. But with help of these 4 rulers, I can easily move the frame to make sure this is the best picture composition. I like this picture. I will leave it as I have selected originally. Now we can cut. But first I will check the size again to make sure it is 17 inches. It's slightly shifted. I will correct it a little. Now I will draw a line on the bottom. To make sure it is leveled, I will use this pattern. I found 2 identical points. For example, here I look at this point and now at this one, or here on these leaves. They are equally relative to the ruler, and draw the line. Just as well here. I'm finding the same elements of a pattern on both sides and draw the lines. At the end of this video, I will show what material I will use for sewing the next pillow with buttons in the next video. The last step before we can cut fabric, I want to make sure that all sides are exactly 17 inches and my square has 90 degrees angles. Okay, now I can cut. Excellent, we have a perfect square. Now, to cut second half of the pillow, I will share with you this little trick to make it faster. No need to measuring or drawing lines again to do it faster. I will find same contrast point on my first half, for example this one, and find the exact same point below. Here I have it. Stick a pin here, and now I just have to turn the top picture around the axis to align the pictures of both halves. The pictures are perfectly aligned. It's even hard to see the top piece. Now we have 2 halves and the pillow with the same pattern. We have to place the squares face to face and carefully align pictures and pin them together. Now we're ready to sew. Now the easy part of our project. All we have to do is accurately align same picture elements of both halves and sew. Align pictures and sew. And do this on all four sides. One side is done and I want to check how does picture looks. I think it is beautiful. The seam is almost invisible because the pattern is symmetrical and lines go from one half of the pillow to another with no breakages. That makes our seam much less noticeable. There are other sewing videos on our channel, and at the end of this video I will brag a little. I will show you pictures of some interesting pillows that I sewed for clients. Very interesting what pillow you like more. Now I will stop seam here on this side and continue to sew from this corner. Here I left an open spot so we can put inside pillow insert later. We have to turn our pillow right side out. This is easy to do if you hold a corner by fingers like this. Tuck it up and again like that, and now hold it here from two sides. Push it with the fingers and turn out, and we have good even corner. Do the same way all other corners. And after that, we will fill the pillow with a polyfiber filler. After that, we will close the opening with the pins, and we can finish our project by sewing up the open part. It can be done by machine stitches on the top of fabric, but stitches will be visible. To me it does not look pretty, and I prefer to do this by hand stitching. Doing by hand, I can hide stitches inside pillow. Let's finish our beautiful pillow. Here is opening. Align combined pattern, needle and thread. I will start a bit before opening here to hide the knot and sew. To hide the thread inside, we have to make a very short stitches. Here. We align pattern and sew. Now, to finish sewing, we need to tie a knot, but do not cut the thread here. We have to do a stitch and one more stitch first. Now the thread will be secured and I can cut it. Everything looks perfect and pillow is looking very elegant. I sewed my pillow on an industrial machine, but it can be done easy on household machine. If you are looking to buy sewing accessories, and supplies such as a sewing machine, scissors, all kinds of foods, threads, and so on. Please buy them from our affiliated links below in description. It will not cost you a penny more, but you will support our channel and we can make more videos for you. And now some pictures of pillows that I have made for my customers over the years. I love making original custom, non-mass production looking pillows. It is always exciting. It's like making a piece of art. It is like making a sculpture or a painting, when from different elements, fabrics, fringes, tassels, buttons sewn together, you can make this beautiful decorative piece for your interior. When the colors are correct, the size and the shape of the pillow is well proportioned with the size and shape of the pattern of the fabric. In other words, if you follow the main laws and art composition, you will make a pretty thing for interior that always pleases the eye and creates a good mood. In the upcoming video, we will make decorative pillow with a diamond-like design in the center of the pillow from simple stripe pattern fabric. I will show you how to cut and put together stripe fabric to make more designer-like pillow. Thank you for watching. Was this video helpful? Hope you learned something to improve your sewing skills. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye now.